Hi, so today I want to share with you my experience or short story with Microsoft Paint. This is a little bit weird, but who cares? Let's go. In this modern day era, the children have the abundance of entertainment. They can play a lot of games and watch video all day long on their tablet, their phone, their computer with powerful CPU and glamorous operating system, but not in my days. The kids grow up in the 90s. We have very limited. I remember that my uncle used to have a Windows 98 operating system, and I just have a collection of these Power Rangers, and watching cartoon on the TV, and that is very little for us to choose. But I don't know, I don't care, because it gets me hooked very easy. And when I have a chance to get my hand on the computer, I explore a lot of things like game and Microsoft Paint. And with Microsoft Paint, I can recreate what I love and imagine in my head. And here I will show you the two examples of the show I watch and the game I used to play. And here it is. It is one of the example, the Power Ranger, and is the story about 5 members defeat the villain, and they always have the power to turn giant at the end of the episode. Or this, the example 2, the Brick Breaker format that I used to get hooked on because it is so simple, but in order to keep those light, you have to have a laser sharp focus and predictable of where the ball will go. And yeah, I can play them and watch them all day long, from early in the morning to the late of the night. And I want to share with you a short story that my dad that he used to love martial art, and he want me to go to this martial art class, and it will be karate to be exact. And unfortunately, that is a very cold and wet winter. It's rain all the time, and I go to that class and it's what miserable. And I desperately beg him to not go to that class. I promise to drop all of these playing video games and cut all those shows, everything, to not come to that class. And he had to cancel that class. But you know what? I can cancel myself to watching those shows and play those video games. And I hope in the future is that I have to save up enough money to buy myself a tablet, so I can create my art not on just the Microsoft Paint with this mouse, but a beautiful art with a lot of modern technology app nowadays that I never experienced before. So yeah, that is this for today's story. If you guys have your experience with something weird like this, just show it and comment down below. And yeah, that is it for today. Hope you have a productive day. Thank you for watching.